Hey there, love detectives! Welcome back to the Mind Detective channel. Today, we're flipping the script. Tired of being the one doing all the chasing? Want her to be the one intrigued, excited, and drawn to you? Buckle up, because we're about to crack the code on how to spark her desire and get her chasing you like never before. Forget cheesy pickup lines and forced conversations. These 8 techniques are all about subtle persuasion and igniting a genuine desire within her. Technique 1. The art of spontaneity. Be unpredictable. Ditch the routine and sprinkle some spontaneity into your interactions. This keeps her on her toes, wondering what exciting adventure awaits around the corner. Imagine alternating between showering her with attention and then taking a planned step back. This emotional roller coaster piques her curiosity and fuels her desire for your attention. Technique 2. The power of scarcity. People crave what they can't have easily. When you don't smother her with constant attention, you become a valuable commodity. Focus on your passions and interests. This showcases your confidence and independence, making you even more desirable in her eyes. Technique 3. Master the mystery. Don't reveal all your cards at once. Gradually unveil your personality and passions, leaving her wanting to know more. Share intriguing stories in bits and pieces, piquing her curiosity and creating a sense of mystery that keeps you on her mind. Technique 4. Give her space. A little breathing room can go a long way. Don't be afraid to give her some space. This can trigger a fear of abandonment and make her appreciate your presence even more. It also allows her to pursue her own interests, making the time you spend together even more special. Technique 5. The texting tease. Don't reply to her texts instantly, especially early on. This creates a sense of anticipation and makes her wonder what you're up to. Remember, you're a busy, interesting guy with a life outside your phone. Technique 6. Confidence is key. Confidence is undeniably attractive. Believe in yourself and your worth. When you exude confidence, it shows. People, especially potential partners, are drawn to that self-assured energy. Technique 7. Unleash your inner gentleman. Chivalry isn't dead. Small acts of kindness and respect go a long way. Hold the door open, offer her your jacket, or simply listen attentively. These gestures showcase your genuine nature and make you stand out from the crowd. Technique 8. Embrace your passions. Pursue your hobbies and interests with passion. When you're engaged and enthusiastic about something, it becomes contagious. This energy is attractive and makes you a more well-rounded individual. Remember, these techniques are all about sparking genuine interest. Don't manipulate or play games. By being your best, confident self and igniting her curiosity, you'll have her chasing you in no time. Now get out there, detectives, and put these mind games into action. Thanks for joining us on this journey, love detectives. We hope these techniques help you unlock the secrets to sparking her desire and igniting a connection that goes the distance. Now get out there, be your best self, and remember, sometimes the greatest relationships start when you stop chasing and start captivating. This is the Mind Detective signing off.